My country pipo, una welcome back to my channel. Today, Tacha don come out come chook her mouth for inside the gbas wey be say dey go on between Davido, his baby mama and Tiwa Savage. So for some time now, Davido don dey trend over the news about him and him baby mama getting issues online. According to the wetin dey talk online, they say the girl, him daughter, senior daughter wey dey call Imade, he never see her for 2 Christmas now over this same beef wey be say dey go on with him baby mama. So I could just give a brief rundown about how everything take start before I kick into how Tasha thing insert herself into the drama. But before we continue, if you never subscribe to this video, please try and subscribe. Na beg I dey beg. Like this video, very important, and share, comment under the comment section. I dey thank una in advance. So Tiwa Savage ex-husband wey dey call the Blaze, him come out yesterday, come dey call her Davido, say Davido threa ten the family, say him go deal with Davido, say him just wan wait make Grammy finish before he go reason Davido matter. So as we still dey contemplate on that one, everybody still dey discuss that one, Tiwa Savage go drop petition again, police petition against Davido. So according to wetin dey carry online, they say Davido never fit see him daughter for 2 Christmas now, and even for one birthday, because of the fact say Sophia wey be say be baby mama restrict am from seeing the daughter. And according to Tbilisi wey be say be Tiwa Savage ex-husband, the guy dey claim to say Sophia don finally accept say make Davido come see pikin, say but he give am condition. The condition na for am to dey pay $800 for nanny wey go dey take care of the pikin monthly. Na $800 monthly. Say so all those things na make Davido talk say he no go do, he no wan do am, say he just wan see pikin. I no know wetin dey really go on with that family, and I no wan chook my mouth for there. So with the explanation wey be say they give online, come turn out say Tiwa Savage on the other hand come out the petition wey be say she write. She dey claim to say Davido see her with Sophia Momodu wey be say be baby mama, Imade mama. Him come vex, come talk say since Tiwa Savage go dey support the enemy, say him don wash hand comot for where she dey. Say if he see her for anywhere for Lagos, say go f her up, all those type of things. So na so the girl come to say fear catch her, or she can't go tell police to say if anything happen to her, make they hold Davido accountable, because na him threaten her life and she no go take am lightly with him. So with everything wey be say dey go on online, Tasha come carry herself come comot. You know, so say for those of una wey be say no Tasha and cloud chasing na 5 and 6. For all the old Big Brother Naija housemates so far, since Big Brother don dey bring housemate, only Tasha come out come talk for Davido matter and the baby mama. I never see this kind cloud chasing for my life before. As you all know, Tasha don dey find a way to take make Davido notice her for years now, and she never dey successful. Even when Davido and when Fina get problem with Davido, at least Davido reply Fina, he send a text message to reply and to say at least I see you, I notice you. But Tasha, when Tasha even insert herself for that gbasgbos between Fina and Davido, the guy no still respond to her, and she don already draw a tattoo for her bobby, the middle of her bobby, to take show her loyalty. But still yet the guy say no, I no dey reason people like you. So she can't come out again with full cloud chasing force, come say it's the audacity for me. When a man has God complex, what do you expect? Laugh out loud. Take up somebody your size for once, Oga BR. Tasha, if you dey talk about if you dey call Davido God complex, whatever way you call am, why you tattoo a picture for your bobby? That because you see him as your demigod. I no see a reason why person go idolize person to the extent say he go tattoo. Why you not tattoo all those Jesus Christ picture wey be say we dey see for online? You not get mama, you not get papa, why not tattoo their own picture for your bobby? Na person own, na a total stranger on you tattoo, which means you dey idolize am to the extent say you dey see am as your god. So I no know all this hypocrisy wey be say wetin be her name Tasha dey do. No will continue. So as she make this statement, the video fans wey dey call 30 not take am lightly with her, so they come for her with full force. So the first person come say, who invited this clown? Better go sleep. The other one say, you just want to share for the cloud chasing, nothing. For the past how many, throughout last month, maybe December, I'm not sure say Tasha trend for Twitter. I've checked so many times, I not see her trend. This now the only opportunity where she don't get this year, so she got use am she got use am well. So another person cause say just cause he no give you face, you sef think say you matter o. Another one say what you all be saying she could see this one out when we all know she's saying the right thing. Na so una dey fear rich people. No be about fearing rich people. This life they say choose your battles wisely. You can't go run your mouth give people wey be say pass you. How e wan be for you? Social media dey very different from real life. We forget all this mouth wey we dey make for social media. Once we see gbege for real life, you go see some people wey be say dey cheer you up. Hey, go on, you no go see any of them for there. Only you go stay for court dey look the judge. You and the judge una go dey there dey judge the matter. So make everybody dey guided. Well, I don notice say Tacha she just like Davido. I don't know whether I will call am stalking. Anything wey be say the guy dey do, she dey always wan know wetin dey sup with him. I don't know. Anybody wey be say they get issue with, she dey always wan shook herself inside as if na obsession or something. She better sit this one out. So Davido come see that tweet because people dey tag am all those type of thing. Him come out, come reply by liking a hate comment about Tacha. So this na the comment you dey see am, the person tag Tacha wetin dey gba like this Zlatan song wey be say dey sing about Tacha. One thing I no be Yoruba, so I no fit understand wetin dey talk for the song, and I no fit play am for here because it might be copyrighted. So I just know say they dey shade her for the song. So Davido come out come like the tweet. Both Tacha or both Tiwa Savage wey be say carry themselves go shook for inside people for heavenly matter. Anything wey they see for inside na dem sabi, because you see this life, anything wey be say don involve man and woman wey don see each other nakedness, I no dey shook my mouth inside. Cha I no wan know who the person be. I dey avoid am. Make Tacha fans dey pray for her so that she go dey learn to dey avoid unnecessary drama, because she might go shook her mouth for the one wey be say go hook her one day, and e go dey very hard for am to come out from inside. No be say na swear, but na so life just be. When you no sabi mind the business that pays you, you go go mind another person, they go blow your eye join. God is una strength. Una take care, una bye.